A new round of troubles for a suburban politician. Two men say they were injured in that brawl that happened during a public meeting last month, and they are now suing Dalton Mayor Tiffany Henyard and others.
Two different levels I cannot relate. You never win if you play in it safe. It's all a game until you get played.
Welcome back to It's Culture Podcast. My name is Mark. So glad you could tune in tonight because my girl Tiffany Henyard is back in the news. Lawsuits coming out the wazoo, fights breaking out everywhere, total chaos, and we're going to talk about it. I want to thank everybody who likes, shares, and subscribes to this channel. Keep doing that. Keep hitting that subscribe button. Keep running the numbers up. I'm on my way to 13,000. We just crossed over 12,900 as I was recording this. So I appreciate everybody who keeps subscribing and keeps tuning in. And I keep doing this. So as I was saying, Tiffany Henyard is back in the news. You remember I reported a while back that she had got into a fight. It broke out at the Thornton Township town hall meeting. Some Dalton residents came over, expressed their displeasure in her, yelled out some explicitives, and all hell broke loose. So now there's some lawsuits. So we're going to take a listen to the news and see what they're saying.
It was a jarring scene at a recent Thornton Township board meeting. This large fight erupted shortly after Jedediah Brown called Supervisor Tiffany Henyard an expletive.
Once there's this confrontation, Kamal Woods pushes and punches Lavelle Redmond. He takes a swing at him.
So, as you see, he yelled out some expletives. In my recap, I'm going to talk about that part.
Both men say they were attacked and injured for exercising free speech. They also claim Henyard was a participant in the fight.
She attacks Lavelle Redmond first, hits him maybe twice, and then she goes right in onto Jedediah Brown.
I don't know why Tiffany Henyard, a sitting supervisor of the township, why are you fighting the residents? That part to me, I'm still mind baffled. I think at that point she totally forgot that she was an elected official, but who knows?
I take responsibility for my part in all of this, but it's under constitutionally protected lawful activity. I can say what I want to say, but at no time should a citizen feel that they will be attacked by an elected official.
They've both filed civil lawsuits for assault, battery, and emotional distress, naming Henyard, her boyfriend, a Village of Dalton employee, Thornton Township, and South Holland Police as defendants. Both men say they filed police reports with South Holland PD, but no one arrested. We reached out to the department, but didn't get a response.
She is to be held at the same standards we all with the judicial or federal system. She's not exempt from that.
It was disheartening for me to see the police, after being attacked, tell me that they would not investigate this.
An attorney representing Tiffany Henyard says the claims made in the lawsuits are false.
I'm sure it'll be dismissed before it gets off the ground, so I don't think there's going to be much of any litigation that goes into it.
Brindley also claims a weapon was involved.
The man brought a knife into the meeting hall, and he swung that knife at Jamal Woods. People got cut. So that's a fact. And now he wants to claim that he's a victim, that the mayor attacked him. It's on video. The mayor didn't do anything to him.
Matthew Costardo says the claims about his client having a knife, not true. He says the video speaks for itself.
The use of violence against individuals who are simply advocating for transparency and accountability in the community, that's just unspeakable, and it's unacceptable.
Both men are asking for compensation for medical bills and attorney's fees, among other things. They're seeking a jury trial.
You all see what's going on. Fight breaks out after Jedediah Brown yells out, calls Tiffany Henyard the B word. Now, as far as I'm concerned, yeah, I know it's protected under free speech, but come on, bro. That's just... as much as you may dislike Tiffany Henyard, calling her out her name, calling her that, that's totally uncalled for as far as I'm concerned. You could have got off your displeasure and everything else you wanted to say without, disrespecting her like that. So, in my opinion, it's like he tried to provoke it. Now, when it comes to the boyfriend, now he's defending Tiffany. But bruh, not the right place. Not the right place. You lose total control. You are also an employee of the township. Can't be doing that like that. As far as the knife is concerned, this is the first time I'm hearing about a knife being saw there. I never heard that before, but hey, I guess that's what people want to go with. So if it was there, I don't know why somebody would bring a weapon into a city hall meeting. That's not the place for that. I would hope that no one had weapons inside of city hall. You come to air your grievances, but that's about it. Now, as far as Tiffany is concerned, her boyfriend also filed a lawsuit now. The boyfriend filed a lawsuit. It's $10 million against Thornton Township for him being assaulted, as he said. And now you have this lawsuit, them suing them, the township. So the township just going to be out of money. And that's not fair to the residents of Thornton Township at all. And the fact that the people who were involved, besides Tiffany and her boyfriend, the two other guys are not even residents of Thornton Township. Like, come on, bro. Y'all gonna bring that mess to somebody else's front yard and y'all didn't do this in y'all backyard? Come on, man. And now y'all want these people to pay you all for what happened because y'all went over there and provoked this? I don't agree with this at all, man. Tiffany is about to be out of office very soon if the people vote the way they're supposed to vote. So there's no need to be doing all of this to get a response from her at the township meetings. Nothing at all. So I don't agree with this at all. And the residents of Thornton don't deserve this. They're about to make a choice. They've already made a choice. She's not on the ballot for re-election. And she wasn't elected to that seat in the first place. But she's not on the ballot because they caucused her out of there. And I don't think that she's going to get enough write-ins to keep her on the ballot. But to go to a town hall meeting, yell out explicitives, call her out of name, do this to taunt and to get a reaction. You get the reaction, get to fighting, and now you want to sue? Yeah, I'm not feeling this. So this one is kind of I'm not feeling this at all, y'all. And then as much as I don't want Tiffany to be in office, this is not something that she should have to be dealing with. She should have to be dealing with getting called out of name. That's not right. We don't have to do that as men. But to call out all the BS and all the crap that she's doing as an elected official, that's free game. But don't take personal shots. You don't have to do that. You don't have to call somebody out their name. The issues and the things that she has done as an elected official that you don't like and you want to air those grievances out, that's what you do. You do that there. And then you advocate in your community to make sure that everybody in your community know when it's time to go to this ballot box who not to vote for. And then let the FBI and the Justice Department come in, do what they're going to do. And if they find that she did things unlawfully while she was the mayor and the supervisor of Thornton, then she'll have to deal with the justice system. And it is not really kind to corrupt politicians. So, Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about this. Like I said, I'm kind of got mixed emotions about this one. But anyway, thank you all for tuning in. Until next time, Coaching Nation, keep it coaching.